Hi guys, just a quick video on the audio settings on an MG4. So you can come into the audio section, click on that icon there, and then you can play around with the equalizer settings here. So you can click custom to choose your own. You can also go to the home menu, swipe across and go to settings, and then scroll down and click on volume settings, and in here you'll find this setting here, so loudness. That will obviously boost the audio. I tend to keep that on, otherwise it's just too quiet and a bit muted. You've got SDV, which is speed dependent volume, so as the quicker you go, it will automatically boost the volume up. You've seen the custom equalizer. You can change the settings from here. The sound field balancing, that's just whether you want it to be more in the back or to the left or right. I'll just keep that in the center. The rear silent mode, so this will just cancel out the rear speakers. Then the Arkamys 3D sound, you can see here they've got a little explanation that they've worked with Arkamys to process the audio for all passengers or the driver only, or you can switch it off. I tend to keep it for everyone. And then this is where you can also toggle on and off the virtual subwoofer, because there is no subwoofer with this. It's all digital. But that's it. They're the audio settings on the MG4. Thanks. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you guys.